Kanta ka pa? Okay na? Yan, hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan. Joanne, pakianin kahapon.
You know you won't pretend that I'm looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's all about to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart back, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. Now I don't know why. Kung magmamahal ako muli, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust on me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know when your heart, it's hard to let someone inside. Oh, in your arms, I'll be, I'm ready now to try. Oh, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart man, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. No, I don't know where. Ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Fearful to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, and I know I gotta take it slow. Gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through. No, I don't know where. Ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin. Alright, thank you so much. Baba na ako, Ma'am Jay. Salamat po sa pagpapakit dito.
Thank you, Skang. Thank you. Thank you sa akyatan. Bawi na lang ako. Punta sa channel. Jay Cabal, may harap ka na.
Bye-bye, Ma'am Jay. Nakakanta ka pa? Ay, ano to? Teka. Ay, sa akin pala to.
Tumutunog sa'yo.
Akala ko sa'yo.
Sa akin may lasong ako. Maglalasong ako.
Maglasong.
Maraming salamat naman. Oh. Mami Love, Jay Cabal, yan. Jay,
ay,
ano yan?
bababa na ba ako, Ma'am Jay? O ano, dito lang.
Sige, dyan ka lang. Panindigan mo na yan hanggang sa dulo nung walang hanggan. Yan, maraming. Bakit ngayon lang bang birthday mo, Jay? Di ba sabay tayo birthday? Pareho kong birthday to si Jay. Ka-birthday ko to. Bakit pag pinuntahan ko yung binaba mo, yung lumalabas, parang mga cartoons? Jay, bala ka dyan. Puntahan ko na lang yan sa channel mo. This is my final song. Good night to each and everyone. Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggang by years. Try ko to ulit. Thank you very much. God bless you all. This song is to all of you. ko lang naka-free, ma'am. Oh, sige. I pray you'll be our eyes and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to the place, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe. I pray we'll find your light and hold it in our hearts. When stars go out at night, let this be our prayer. When shadows fill our day,
Lead us to a place
guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. Thank you sa mga palapag. We ask the light be kind and watch us from above. We hope it's all we'll find. There's no time. Let this be our prayer,
just like every child.
just like every child. Lead us to find a place, for guide us with your grace. Give us words so we'll be safe. As they pretend, I assess all noi. Sento te sei salve. Alright. Thank you. God bless you all and happy Saturday to each and everyone. Maraming salamat hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan sa inyong lahat dyan. Co-host Iska, maraming salamat. Jay, puntahan ko na lang yung channel mo ha. Thank you very much, May, Ate O, Joanne, Sulin Sun.
Alright, bye-bye, Ma'am Jay. Ma'am Jay, bye-bye po.
Thank you.
Bye-bye sa
Ang
lahat po
galing
dyan,
yan,
sa lahat po
guys.
dyan. Love gang spam, yan,
Kala
bye-bye
ko
po.
wala ka na.
Ayan,
Thank you very
sa lahat
much.
po dyan. Pinapakinggan ko, kaya lang, mas maganda yung dati. Kaya lang, ngayon, parang ano eh.
Kulang.
Parang, nawala. Mas
Nawala,
maganda yung una mong practice.
Sige lang, pero
Mas
tignan
maganda
natin
yun.
yan.
Okay,
Salamat,
bye-bye
ha?
na po, Ma'am Jay.
Thank you,
Ayan.
thank you.
Salamat.
Hindi na ako makabuga
Ayan.
kasi gabi na.
Bye sa lahat po dyan. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Lad Gang's family members of
Welcome sa
Janet
channel na
25
masarap at
Vlog.
masaya. This is
Janet sa music at luto. Panalo ka!
Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my admin Joan Mac, Being members Angelo Zeki, Arch Hell Beauty Conseo, Man and NJ, Daryl Rabo, Metal Joy Vlog, Joyden 200 I Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bongski Bong Mix Vlog, Gene Mix Vlog 23, Maynamad Ira, Noli Boy Family, Simply My Labs, Editor Rami, or Lins in 1, Bing of San Jose, Gene Ski TV, Mr. Sue, Froyland, Mysterious Way, Rayhan Percoso, Mysterious 006 Way, Maycara Maylu Magda. Thanks you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all.
Thank you, thank you.
Yo, yo, yo! Welcome sa channel na masarap at masaya.
Welcome to Janet
This is
25
Janet
Vlog. Please
sa
click the bottom
music at
bell.
luto.
Janet 25 Vlog content is singing Tarakao contest. Cover song exploring Japan video. Live streaming cake Kaikahan morning. Please connect your family.
Walang katulad ay grabe rin.
SKL and her team X Vlog. Mason Vlog. Dem Style for DJ. Nori May TPM. Philips Bros. Marin made a lot of vlog. Tanyo Amoto Vlog. PHKLED. Lady Wang Team Hiki. Charlene. Rick's Channel. Mary Yucko. Mommy Lab Makes Vlog. Isabel. Barkata S. Nick Nimin. To Toy Pens in our win. More power to our YouTube channel. Lab Games family.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Good night to each and everyone.
Thank you for watching. Janet 25 Vlog. Type present. Hanggang sa dulot ang all
Sa
hingin.
bawat vlog, saya'y dala
Lab, lab,
sa
lab, games
Japan. Siya'y kahanga-hanga, si Janet 25. Ang aming bituin, sa puso namin ikaw. Ang number one din. Hero
Next on
Janet,
screen,
ikaw
God bless us all.
ikaw ang the best. Sa Japan, ikaw ang aming happiness. Tuloy lang ang kwento, wag kang itigigil. Kasama mo kami sa bawat local trip.
Kaya salamat sa iyong vlog na kay ganda. Si Janet 25 walang kapantay talaga. Mag-like, pagsuportahan ka dahil ikaw...
One, two, three, four.
And good night to each and everyone. Oyasumi nasai. Bye. May nakapin pala. Joanne, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you.